So today's vlog is me unboxing this package from Marvel Collector's Corp Hulk. This was shipped on December, and let's open this up and see what it is. Where's the opening? It's so hard to open. Here we go. So this is the first thing. Okay, so first thing off the bat is we have a t-shirt. So let's see this t-shirt. Okay, so this t-shirt is the Hulk, changing from Bruce Banner until the Hulk. So we have this. I'm gonna give this a try. Here we go. Put that away. And then the Hulk transformation. Okay, the next item we have is, this looks like a squishy. What is this? Funko stress ball relief. Stress ball. Look at that. Stress. You stress out, you just squeeze the Hulk. Okay, here we go. The next item we have is, what is this thing? Thor Ragnarok Hulk. Looks like a little figure. This is a keychain. And then that's the keychain. We'll put that like right here. Or whatever. And then the next item we have a Hulk, Incredible Hulk patch. So here's this patch. This is how this looks like. So it's a patch. I think it's, I don't know if it's an iron-on kind of thing or if you just sew it on. So that's how this is. And the next item is the Hulk and Bruce Banner pop. So we'll take a look at this. Everything falling apart. So this is the Bruce Banner Funko Pop. Exclusive Marvel Collector's Corp Funko Pop. I'm going to open up this. So this is the Hulk when he was gray, and this is Bruce Banner. Like, so it's, so here is the Hulk, and this is Bruce Banner. But the body is kind of backwards, so just twist it until it's right. It's kind of hard to twist it back. Twist it. So there's that. And then twist the Hulk. Oops, something snapped. And then here's that. So these are all the figures. Oh, and this little one. And then you can put them together like this. Kind of hard to stand these little guys. Look at this. How do people play with these things? Like this. And then you take the bobblehead and you go like this. Thank you for watching this vlog, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you like this video, and I'll do more of these unboxing vlogs. And vlogs is going to have like other things I'm going to talk about besides just unboxing, things that I do in general, or just something interesting throughout the day that I think is good to post the videos up. Okay, until next time.